With phones consisting of some very impressive camera lenses out of the box, it comes to no surprise that Hohem continue to allow creators from all walks of life to indulge in high quality stable videos straight from their hands. This is the Hohem iSteady XE kit. This gimbal stabilizer offers the ability to be compact, lightweight, and equipped with advanced features straight out of the box. Would I say that having this product is essential for vloggers, live streamers, and individuals seeking top-notch mobile video footage? Well, let's find out and unbox this guy. So the box shares a similar compact design to the actual gimbal. All you really get is the gimbal itself, a rather short USB Type-C cable for charging, a small tripod stand, and finally a carry case to keep this guy safe when not in use. It may come to no surprise that this gimbal weighs near to nothing. Weighing just under 0.6 grams, it provides an ultra lightweight solution for videographers on the go. Despite its lightweight construction, it does not feel cheap in any way. At first glance, the plastic shell may appear to be cheap and fragile, however, it is quite the opposite, as it is surprisingly sturdy and durable. This device may be small in size, but it is capable of producing top-notch video content, and you'll see that for yourself in a second. We have a 2000 mAh battery inside the handle shell, capable of providing an impressive 8 hours of runtime. With these kind of specs alone, you can shoot effortlessly all day long without worrying about running out of battery during a shoot. It is worth noting that the iSteady XE has a fantastic fast charging USB-C port. With that, you can get a full charge in just under 2 hours. Now there's no doubt that is pretty impressive. Now let's talk about usability. Similar to most gimbals available in the market, setting it up is a breeze. Just simply insert your phone and adjust it within the clamps to ensure balance. You might need to perform stabilization, but that's automated for your convenience anyway. Using this gimbal enables capturing footage that is 3 times more stable than a handheld option. Thanks to its lightweight design, you can easily maneuver this device and capture stunning shots that would just simply be impossible to achieve with just your phone and hands. The iSteady XE gimbal offers 4 distinct shooting modes. Those are pan follow, pan and tilt follow, all lock, and all follow. These modes enable users to explore device shooting styles and angles, making it ideal for various kinds of content. There are various ways to make the most out of this gimbal, and each one represents unique advantages. This does have an interface that is easy to use even for beginners. It consists of a straightforward system of 4 buttons and 1 joystick. With that, you can conveniently switch between landscape and portrait mode with just 1 press of the function button. Similarly, you can switch between gimbal modes by pressing the M button once and activate their famous Inception mode by pressing the function button 3 times. Pairing your smartphone with the gimbal is a simple process, but the mobile app is straightforward to navigate too. The Hohem Pro app is a valuable resource for novice content creators and enthusiasts alike. You can truly take full advantage of your gimbal with this. The app simply acts as the central hub for the gimbal, providing various creative shooting templates and convenient features. One of these is gesture control and active tracking. With gesture control, users can easily start or stop video recording with a simple hand gesture. Now you don't need me to tell you that this is a valuable feature for solo filmers. It is frustrating to think how often I was not centered in frame or completely unaware that I was out of focus. Thanks to a solution like this, I no longer have to worry about that. This gimbal stands out from other competitors because the tracking capabilities not only focus on your face, but also allow you to track objects too. So with that, this device could be utilized to capture football games, pets, or anything you desire to simply keep in focus, with the ultimate end goal to create higher quality content that you simply wouldn't be able to do with a camera and tripod alone. The gimbal does include a magnetized fill light that provides 3 distinct color temperature settings and varying brightness levels, letting you tailor your lighting for any situation. It is magnetically attached to the phone stabilizer, making it easy to take selfies or capture shots of others. Then when you're done or you find it distracting, you can just simply pull it off and pop it in your provided bag. Simple as that. For vloggers on the move, this is essentially a very affordable option for you. Not only can you swiftly move from selfie mode to filming subjects whilst moving, the compact design houses a plethora of advanced technology. One such technology is the iSteady 7.0, a 3-axis stabilization system that provides ample motion across all axes. Pan, roll, and tilt up to 320 degrees each. To put it simply, the gimbal is capable of handling abrupt motions and swift movements without compromising the necessary stability for producing higher quality video content. The gimbal's app features such as time-lapse enhance its abilities by allowing users to record longer videos with selective movements and speed them up during post-production. By doing this, you can achieve a truly impressive cinematic outcome straight from your mobile phone. Overall, the Hohem iSteady XE smartphone gimbal is an exceptional device that offers a perfect balance of user-friendliness, versatility, and excellent performance, all at a highly affordable price point. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.